guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create and sell a product on Clickbank. So at first you have to decide on what you want to sell. It could be digital, physical or any recurring products, and after that you're going to require all necessary legal documentation, and then make sure your product is in compliance. Acquire your unique domain name. You can use Wix, Blogspot, Squarespace, something like that for web hosting, because Clickbank does not provide you web hosting, so you need your own domain. And then from there you're going to create a pitch page, which is requirement for all Clickbank anchor. So this is basically a lingo for the sales page, and from here they can get all of the information that they need, and from there you can create a thank you page. If they buy you and then the payment has been done, then you just put them a thank you from where they can get all the contact information to reach you, and then create and test your payment link. Create a hop link to share with affiliates so that they can promote your offer. Enter your product information in the Clickbank marketplace. Request product approval. Pay the activation charge. Optimize your business. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.